Hey guys, this is Bernie. So in this video I will show you how I made $50 day trading. I know this channel is mainly about web and graphic design, but a few days ago I started day trading and today I made $50, which is my daily goal. I just started, I'm still learning a lot of stuff, but today I was able to record this trade. I did 4 trades and all of them were winning. So let's go ahead and take a look at the video and see how I did. So I started with 50 shares trading this stock GTEC. So this was a quick trade. I did think about $22 with the first one. As you can see, I bought it at 449. My target goal is at 496. So this was quick. As you can see, it's going up. So I got in at a good time. So I went down a little bit and then it went all the way up, which it was quick. So see, it's going up. And I think that's when it hit the target goal. So that was a new high. So this stock was doing newer highs. So and that's another newer high. And right there, that's when it hit my my target goal. And as you can see, it just kicked me out. So I had my target goal there, so it kicked me out. So I went in again. So I saw that there was more opportunity to get back in, so I went ahead and bought another 50 share. And as you can see, this one was very quick. So it was doing newer highs. 556 was my goal, and bam, it just kicked me out right away. But I made like a little bit more than $20. So in total, I already had made like about $48. So I went ahead and got in again for the third time, and this time I bought 40 shares. This one went on for a long time. It didn't reach my goal. It was actually coming down, but I stayed in for a long time, just so I was just waiting to hit my target goal, which is $6. And I saw that it wasn't going up. It was actually coming down, so I was adjusting my positions, my sell position and my target position. So as you can see here, right when I got in, it was going up, so I was already up like $9. But and then from there it just went down. So let me fast forward this. So as you can see, this is going down. It was going down. I was down like $10, $13. And then from there it just kept going down. So here I was already down like $24. So I almost it almost hit my my stop loss. So there it was going up a little bit more, but it was just going very slow. And then here I was still down like $12. It's going up a little bit more. Here it started going up again, but still I was still negative. And as you can see, there's less and less volume here, so there's not much movement going on. And then here it's when it started to go up again. As you can see, it's reaching my 569 price. That's the price where I bought it from, and I was hoping it was gonna reach $6, but and then from there it just went down again. So as you can see, I moved my price up hoping that it was gonna go up, but and then from there it just went down again. See, came all the way down. So I was negative again. I was positive a little, like $5, and then it came all the way down again. So at this moment I was already thinking about exiting the trade, because I've been there for a while and it wasn't like going up. And I was just gonna go ahead and do another trade, a different stock, but I waited a little bit more. So here it's gaining momentum again. It's getting more volumes. So when it goes all the way up and all the way down, that means that there's a lot of volume, a lot of people buying and selling at the same time. So here I stayed in. So as you can see, it's just like they made this move, but and then right now it's just going up and down again, just consolidating. And then I bought another share, which is WISA. I bought 10 shares. That's I already I had like, I don't know, like $50 left, I think. So I was only able to buy like 10 shares. So here I was negative 20, and then the other one I was a little bit negative, but it's not a big deal since it's a small stock. And then as you can see, like I was already in for a long time waiting for that to go up, but it wasn't going up until here. Here is when it started going up. So as you can see, I lowered my target, and it kicked me out. But I made like $2-3 there, so I hit my daily goal, which is 50. So I was happy there, and I was waiting for the other stock to go up. So I was hoping I could make like, I don't know, $4 or $5 there. But it was just, it never went up. So it was just going up and down, but like small moves. As you can see here, it went up, and then it came down again. It's trying to go up again, but this time I was already happy with my profit. I already had a good day, so I just wanted to close this. So I decided I was gonna close this. So here, I think this is where I closed it. So as you can see, it went up, but I never hit my target goal. Then I saw that it was coming down again, so it wasn't worth it. And I just exit this out. So as you can see, that's how I did it.